Hi, I'm Danny Lipford from Today's Homeowner, and I have an amazing bathroom transformation I want to share with you. But first, I want you to see what it looked like before we started the renovation. It was a 35-year-old bathroom that had some old stained cabinets in it, including one. It was a large linen cabinet right in the middle of the bathroom, took up a lot of space. Also on the floor, very dated ceramic tile, kind of a tan color. But after 3.5 days of hard work with some ambitious homeowners, this is what we ended up with. A more spacious feeling bathroom, certainly better lighting, better colors. It really turned out great. Now, one of the focal points in this bathroom are the faucets. That's the way it is with pretty much any bathroom. So you want a faucet that looks good. This is from Dan's Gerber company, and this is a chrome finish, has water scent certification, and just it's from their Vaughn collection. I really do like it a lot, the way that it has a sleek look to the spout and an edgier look to the handles. Great way to go, and it's a midline priced faucet, so you're not spending a lot of money on it. Another way to save a little money is just don't automatically throw away the toilet, even if it has a problem like these homeowners had, where the water was leaking from the tank down into the bowl. All we had to do is replace all of the workings of the tank, including the handle, and it only cost $20. It's Fluid Masters Performax all-in-one repair kit that has just about anything you need for the common toilet repair problems. It's a great way to go, and you're not wasting a lot of money with that water consistently flowing and flowing. Great way to go there. Also, you can save a lot of money on flooring if you look around for the right kind of ceramic. The whole floor in this bathroom, only $80. You can find out more by going to todayshomeowner.com.